Hello dear students. In this video we will see the problem on integration which are based on functional equation. Means you have to first of all find out the function and then you have to integrate. So first question is, if f be a polynomial function such that for all real x, f of x square plus 1 equal to f of x की power 4 plus 5x square plus 3. Then find primitive. Primitive means integration. Primitive of fx with respect to x. So we all know that what is primitive, what is antiderivative, what is integration, and what does this x, the dx represent. All we all are now very clear about all these points. Okay, so here first of all you have to solve this functional equation. F of x square plus 1 equal to x की power 4 plus 5 का x square plus का 3. So this is input. So I should have the output in terms of input only, correct? So I can write x की power 4 is there and here x square plus 1. So simply x square plus 1 का whole square, so that I will get x की power 4. And then this is 2x square, but here 5x square, so therefore 3x square remaining. Plus 1, here plus 3, so therefore plus 2. Okay, this x square plus 1 ka whole square. Here also I will take 3 common, so this is 3x square plus 1. So this is 3x square, okay, plus 3, but here plus 2, therefore minus 1. Now I have the output. This is input and this is output. Therefore, I can now write down in its standard form the function f of x is x ka square plus ka 3x minus ka 1. Such type of problems we have been doing for many chapters. Okay, such type of problems you did in a complex number. Okay, in quadratic equation also we did like that. Okay, now finally we have to integrate this function, and this is not a problem. I can integrate this like that. Integration dx, correct? The final is x cube by 3 plus 3x square by 2 minus ka x and of course plus ka c. That is your answer. Now look at this second question. This is again very interesting and fundamental. What is that? If f dash of sine square x equal to cos square x for all x, okay, and f of 1 equal to 1, then find fx. Okay, got it? So what is there? F dash of sine square ka x equal to cos square x. So I can write cos square x is 1 minus sine square x. Okay, so therefore I can now write f dash x equal to 1 minus x. So this is sine square x input and the output is 1 minus sine square x. So input is x, then output is 1 minus x. Okay, now we have to determine fx. Fx I can easily now determine. Okay, I have to just integrate this, okay, with respect to x. Integrate this with respect to x. Simple. So this will give f of x and this will give x minus x square by 2 and of course plus ka c. Now c I can determine by using this condition, correct? So when x equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1. So 1 equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus c. So c equal to 1 by 2, correct? Finally f of x equal to, finally f of x equal to what? This is x minus x square by 2 plus का 1 by 2. सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 1 by 2, this is 2x minus का x square, correct? 2x minus का x square प्लस का 1, करेक्ट? ये हो जाएगा 2x माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस का 1. बट what is important over here? I cannot define f of x equal to 1 by 2, 2x minus x square plus 1 for all x belongs to real number. Because I have come from here that f dash of sine square x equal to cos square x. So, this is sine square x. Sine square x is lying between 0 and 1. Sine square x is lying between 0 and 1. Then from this we have come to this f of x. So, therefore, x must be here lying between 0 to 1. This is okay now. Fx equal to half of 2x minus x square plus 1, provided the x is lying between 0 to 1. Now coming to this PYQ, JEE Mains 2017. If f of 3x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 equal to x plus 2, an integration of fx dx means from here you have to find out the fx in a standard form. That is what is input, and according to that output must be there. Okay, here input is 3x minus 4 and 3x plus 4, and output is x plus 2. So I cannot find out the direct relation between input and output. So therefore we have to write down it in its standard form. Okay. So integration of fx dx equal to a into log of mod of 1 minus x plus bx plus c. Then find a comma b, order pair. Okay. So what is given here? F of. So definitely I have to put this 3x minus 4 divided by 3x plus 4 is a new variable, say t. Then this x has to be represented in terms of t. So therefore I will simplify this. This will give 3x minus 4, that is equal to 3x into t plus ka 4t. So this is 3x, this is 1 minus t, and this is 4 into 1 plus t. Simplification, so therefore x equal to 4 by 3, correct, 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t. This is your x in terms of t. So therefore now this can be written as here f of t, that is equal to x is what, 4 by 3, okay, 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus ka 2. Now I cannot integrate here also. Okay, so therefore first of all we will simplify. This is 4 plus 4t plus ka 6 minus ka 60 divided by 3 into 1 minus t. So this is what, 10 minus 2t divided by 3 into 1 minus t. This is what, I can take 2 common, 5 minus t divided by 3 into 1 minus t. Okay. Now see, here also 5 minus t and 1 minus t, I can convert this 5 minus t in terms of 1 minus t. This is very simple, so that I can integrate. So this is what, 1 minus t plus ka 4 divided by 1 minus t. Correct? This is important step, mind it. So therefore this is 2 by 3. This is 1 plus 4 by 1 minus t. Now it is easy to integrate, correct? Because 1 ka integration I can find out, 4 by 1 minus t ka integration I can find out. So now I can replace t by x. So this is 2 by 3, 1 plus 4 by 1 minus x. Correct? Now we can integrate. So integrating, okay, with respect to x. Clear? So therefore that is equal to, so see here 1 is there na, 1 plus, so 1 plus 4 by 1 minus 1 ka integration, 2 by 3 बाहर आ जाएगा. So this is 2 by 3 into ka x. Got it? 2 by 3 into का x. And this is 4 बाहर आ जाएगा तो 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 और integration of 1 minus x का integration log of 1 minus x. Since minus x is there, therefore divide by minus 1. So this minus 1 will come over here and this will become minus 8 by 3. So therefore a का वैल्यू आ गया minus 8 by 3. करेक्ट. लॉग है तो ये मॉड में रहेगा 1 minus x. करेक्ट. सो therefore a का वैल्यू आ गया minus 8 by 3 एंड bx मतलब 2 by 3 b होगा. This is 2 by 3. Isn't it? This is very interesting. Now I will explain you how to find out the integration of modulus function. What is the role of modulus function in the indefinite integration? Now here we have come to the very important aspect of the indefinite integration. What is that? How to integrate the modulus function in the indefinite integration, and what is the role of modulus in the indefinite integration. That is very, very important. Okay, or you can say that when we integrate the square root function, okay, how to integrate the square root function in the indefinite integrations, because after simplification some trigonometric function which are there in square root, okay, that will be come out as a modulus function, because square root is always positive and trigonometric functions are positive as well as negative. So we all know that whenever trigonometric functions have come out from the square root function, then there will be a modulus, correct? And same, how to integrate such type of functions while it is the question of indefinite integration. Okay, see, it's suppose that I want to integrate modulus of x का dx. Okay, this is indefinite integration. I want to integrate this. So what happens? I will first of all open this. So when x is greater than 0, then it is the integration of x dx, and that is simple, x square by 2 plus का c. Okay, when x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, then it is integration of minus x का dx, and this is minus x square by 2 plus का c. That is simple. Correct? Fine. But in indefinite integration, what we do? We always ignore this modulus sign and we will always consider this positive x and the integration of this positive x dx in indefinite integration. Okay, that is the case. But suppose that this is the answer, x square by 2 plus c when x is greater than 0, and minus x square by 2 plus c when x is less than 0. How can I write these two answers combinedly? That is the question. Correct? Okay. So see here, this is integration of modulus of x. Correct? Okay. So what is that? X into modulus of x divided by 2 plus c I can write down. Okay, this will be x square by 2 plus c when x is greater than 0, and this will be minus x square by 2 plus c. So this is one aspect of the indefinite integration of modulus of x dx. Correct? X dx. I can also write down this in other way. What is that? Second aspect. Okay. What is that? The integration of modulus of x dx is signum of x into integration of x ka dx. Correct? Signum of x when x is positive. When x is positive, then signum of x is plus 1. That is here 1, 0 and minus 1. Integration of 1 dx. Integration of x dx, integration of x dx, integration of x का dx. Correct है क्या? Because signum of x is either 1 r0, r minus 1. When x is greater than 0, this is 1 signum of x. When x is 0, then signum of x is 0. When x is less than 0, then signum of x is minus 1. So I can write down the integration of modulus of x with respect to x is signum of x into integration of x dx, and this is the correct way. Now this is the correct way, means we are I said that earlier that while doing the indefinite integrations we will not at all consider this modulus sign, we will simply consider the positive x and we will integrate. So this answer also here na, this answer x square by 2, x square by 2, here x square by 2, here minus x square by 2, here 0, correct? So the modulus of x dx indefinite integration is x into modulus of x divided by 2 plus c, one aspect. Second aspect is the, in a similar way we are writing this, okay, the integration of modulus of x dx is signum of x into integration of x का dx, करेक्ट? ओके, ये हो गए दो कॉन्सेप्ट। मान लीजिए अभी मुझे करना क्या है, I said that while doing the integration of modulus function, we will not give so much importance to the modulus sign. We will simply consider it as a positive x and we will integrate it. Fine. For example, let me explain you with another example. See, I want to integrate. This is the integration of square root of 1 plus cos का 2x का dx. So what is that? 1 plus cos का 2x means 2 का cos square x का dx, correct? Cos square x. So this is what? Root 2 into integration of, now this is mod of cos x का dx, correct? Now I said that while doing the integration, just consider this modulus of cos x as a positive cos x. So therefore this is root 2 into integration of cos x का dx, that is root 2 cos x का integration is what? Sin x and plus c. This will be your answer. Now what next we can do? We can apply this formula. Okay. And what is that? This is root 2 times signum of cos of x, okay, root 2 times signum of cos of x into integration of cos x dx, that is root 2 signum of cos of x into का sin x plus c. This is your answer. Now what happens, I have already explained that in indefinite integrations we will have the answer which is the class of the function whose derivative is that integrand. So therefore the answers will look different of the same integration. Okay, if I integrate a function, then you will get different answers. Those different answers are because they are coming from the class of that function whose derivative is that integrand. That concept is okay. So therefore I can say that if I ignore this modulus sign, then this is root 2 times integration of cos x, that is root 2 sin x. Okay. And otherwise, if you don't want to ignore this, then this is root 2 times signum of cos x integration of cos x sin x. Signum of cos x now will either plus 1 or 0 or minus 1 depending upon from where x is coming. So when x का range दे देगा कि x is coming from this interval, then you can easily find out the signum of cos x where it is plus 1 or minus 1 or 0. So in that way we can do the integration of modulus function and integration of square root function. Okay, In fact, in indefinite integrations, we can generally ignore the modulus and we will consider its positive opening only, correct? But this is very important to open according to the function in definite integration. While we are doing the definite integrations of the modulus function, then this is very important to open it, whether it is opening in positive sign or opening in negative sign or opening in zero, like that. Okay, uh, when we are doing the definite integrations. So this is all about this lecture.